Okay, so we have the candidates for Branch 1 Circuit Court, the judge, and then the opponent here. So first up is Judge Larisa Benitez Morgan.
Hello, everyone. Vertically challenged. Thank you for inviting me. I'm the current judge for Kenosha County Circuit Court Branch 1. I was appointed by Governor Evers when Judge Bastianelli retired midterm. Since I was appointed, I have served in 2 different rotations. I'm in the second one. That's the way we do things in Kenosha, is everybody rotates every 2 years. So I've already done family and civil law rotation, and I'm currently in the juvenile and criminal rotation, which means 1 week of juvenile, 1 week of criminal, and right now this is my juvenile week. And the reason I mention that is I just was having a conversation over here about the different things that circuit court judges do. I don't think a lot of people realize that we're trial courts. We're the courts that resolve things. So by the time it gets to a circuit court judge, it's because people are fighting about something. It could be a criminal charge, it could be something to do with the juvenile, it could be, maybe there's a child in need of protection or services, or a termination of parental rights. So that's what we hear at the circuit court level. And we make those decisions at the end of the day. Does somebody go on probation? Does somebody go to jail? Does somebody just get a fine? We have termination of parental rights. So are we really taking away these parents' fundamental rights to their child and finding permanency through an adoptive resource? And those are the types of things that we do on a daily basis. And because we do every area of law, it's really critical that the people that serve as judges have experience in all of those areas of law. And not just, I've dabbled in it, but actual litigation experience, because that's what we're doing. We're trying cases. I have another jury trial on Monday. This is just what we do. So, and the litigation experience in civil is far different than what it is in criminal. When you're dealing with a big, huge men-mal case, you're dealing with different types of discovery. And you're making those decisions as to what comes in, what the jury hears, what it doesn't. They're interrogatories, they're depositions, all these fancy words that you hear about people answering questions or writing things. We don't do those in criminal law. It's completely different. Evidence, you have to, there's no Perry Mason moment. You have to show everybody everything you've got. Except in family law, there's some nuances with that where they're not allowed to. Juvenile law, certain types of hearings where hearsay is perfectly acceptable, but it's not in other types of hearings. So I think it's important to be experienced. I have practiced in every area of law that a circuit court judge hears as a litigator, and I've now served as a circuit court judge hearing those same types of cases. I've dedicated my legal career to here, to Kenosha. This is where I live. I moved here. I chose to stay here. And I raised my adult children here, and I'm raising my goddaughter here as well. And so my legal career has been here as a public servant, as a public defender's office, and then prior to that in private practice both in Illinois and here, and then now as a judge. So the community here knows me. I'm well known in the courthouse. This is what I've been doing for 15 years. All the service providers, foster families, DCFS workers, treatment providers, the judges, the guardian ad litems, the attorneys that appear before me, I've litigated against. So I'm a known entity, and I think that's important too, because I was able to hit the ground running when Judge Bastianelli retired. We were at the beginning of COVID. There was no go to judge school, there was no go to judge camp, there was, you just went. So thank goodness I had already tried divorces. I knew how to do that. Name changes, know how to do that. Probate, know how to do that. And big civil litigation cases that, I have 6 different law firms involved, and hearing the motions and the types of hearings and judgments you have to make, whether it's summary judgment or, I want to introduce this evidence at trial, and then we're doing Daubert hearings in criminal cases. I've done those things. So it was very easy to slide into that role. probably the thing that made it the most easiest is it's still just me. It's still just Larisa. That's how I'm known throughout town. That's how I've always been known, probably because my name is so long and convoluted. So it's just Larisa. But it's always just been me. You know, I've been here to help the people in the community, and that's how I've lived my life. I saw a need, and I closed my practice and went to work for people that couldn't afford to hire people like me, because that's just not right. I've advocated on behalf of kids. I've advocated I specialized in mental health, fighting for people who had mental health issues going on. And I was the only one that was doing protective placements. Those are hearings where somebody has a brain damage or a cognitive disability. And I'm fighting for their right to be heard, you know, and taken care of. So that's what I've dedicated my life to do. I was very honored to receive this appointment. It's been an honor to serve the people of Kenosha as a circuit court judge. And I'm asking for your support and your vote to allow me to continue serving as a circuit court judge. I'm the first person of color in the entire 2nd Judicial District. It had not been done before, and I think that's important as well, because young girls and young women need to see somebody that looks like them, and you have to give people the hope that they can aspire to something, and it's not forbidden from them. So I ask for your support, and I love being a judge. Thank you.